You have probably been taught or seen videos where people tell you that time dilation leads to time passing at different rates in different regions, and this leads to possible time travel. This is not true. In my other video, I absolutely and definitively prove Einstein's gravity acceleration principle is wrong by pushing his own thought experiment further than he did. You might have seen the demonstrations of time passing at different rates by bringing clocks which show the same time at the beginning, then being brought to different altitudes for a period of time, then brought back to the same location, and the clocks then show different times. The ones at the higher location have more time passed than the ones at a lower altitude. This is usually accompanied by the physicists saying this proves that the clocks move through time at different rates, and usually everyone goes, wow, amazing, mind-blowing, things like that. But do you notice something about those two clocks? Pause the video and think about it if you like, and I'll continue in 3 seconds. All those clocks exist in the same moment when they're brought back together, the same time. If any existed in the future or past relative to each other, we would not see them. Special relativity, time dilation, is about clocks, not time. Time is universal, but clocks measure differently depending on their energy and location. And I show the quantum dynamics of how time dilation works in another short video. And using the same idea, some pop physicists say a space cadet travelling to and from the Andromeda galaxy, which is 2 million light years away, travelling at near the speed of light, will return to Earth having aged less than 5 years, but then they say the Earth would have aged 4 billion years. It is simply not true. In my other videos, I proved that this idea by Einstein was wrong by pushing his thought experiment further than he did or anyone else did. So time still ticks and dilates at the speed of light. But even if it didn't, and we use the pop model, then even if the clock on the spaceship only showed 2 years passing, the space cadet would still have experienced the same amount of universal time as passed on Earth. He would have experienced 4 billion Earth years, even though the clock only might have ticked 2 years. But again, that model's wrong. I'm just saying if it still doesn't work, it doesn't make sense, it's wrong. My model unifies, fixes and makes sense out of everything. And it's going to take brave, determined scientists with integrity to get through the brick wall that I've been facing for 6 years with people who refused to go with the facts. Please download my work and keep it just in case. Please don't share the work that you download because I have no money or media influence. I depend on real scientists sharing and liking my videos to bump up the algorithm. And the only thing that's going to lead to our true, genuine advancement in civilization is the truth.